Morning, friends. I've got it. Sandy Shores Great Outdoors. Hey, I'm sitting here watching YouTube and I hear this freaky noise out here. You don't mind the garbage. It's just winter time. Everything gets pulled in. So I'm hearing some weird sound like ice breaking, something like this. And this door was open like this. It's my fridge. My kind of beer fridge, whatever. This door was open. I look inside. What in the heck over? The top glass broke. There's no weight on it. This is just yeast. I unplugged this thing like, I don't know, 4 or 5 weeks ago. This is just my bread yeast. And I don't get it. That's just loose. Just sitting there loose. Look how concave that thing is. I had a back window in a 94 Thunderbird, something like that. Driving down the street and all of a sudden the same thing, boom. Back of the car, it's full of glass. I was in the city. I wonder if I can move this out. I can't believe that. I should actually get a tray. Ah! No, I won't use that. That's the... Well, gall darn, I can't believe that. These are just sitting. Just contraction, I guess, eh? I'll be darned. Oh, maybe I'll just bring the vacuum in here. I'll break it down and then suck it up. That's bizarre. It's been unplugged for the longest time. I don't get it. I don't know. Just contraction, I guess. Oh well. Freaks of nature. Bye for now.